We're covering TRKA stock, Troika Media Group. It is up 18% today to 24 cents at the time of this video. Finally back up in the green here. As if we take a look at the chart over the last, I would say about 5 days, 6 days or so. Let's just look at the last month. I mean, Troika Media Group, when we first started covering this, it flew up, was at 80 cents, and then crashed down here. And again, first kind of positive day that we've seen, at least this week, at least over the last 5 trading days, I'd say. Taking a look at Troika Media Group as well, TRKA stock, 84 million trades so far today in average trading volume 76. It is in the top 5 most heavily traded stocks so far today, and it is up 14%. So out of all the stocks that are in the top 20 most heavily traded stocks, it's definitely the highest or the largest gainer on the day as well. Again, we've been covering TRKA stock for a little while now. Obviously, there's some things going on today with the price action. 18% is definitely pretty significant compared to what we've been seeing, like I said, with TRKA over the last 5 days or so. So I just wanted to go over this article here on Investor Place. A tiny position TRKA stock may be appropriate for thrill seekers. Now, that's kind of what I've been alluding to, or I guess talking about in regards to this stock, is that this is obviously a speculative based play. Any stock with this $85 million market cap but sitting at a 24-cent price, I mean, you have to be definitely willing to potentially lose money on a stock like this in general, like regardless of the stock name or the stock itself. But you can see here, Troika, TRKA stock is volatile and could be a target of both short sellers and short squeezers. On the other hand, Troika has proven itself as a rapid revenue grower. Investors should handle TRKA stock with care and only consider a very small position. So obviously there is volatility with any stock, but more specifically, stocks sub 1 penny stocks with $85 million market cap can be extremely volatile, especially in the current financial climate that we are in regards to the stock market and what's going on with the banking crisis and just the bank fears overall. It is having a significant impact in the stock market. But not long ago, you can see here Thomas Young identified, who I believe writes for Investor Place, a 1,000% opportunity created by overeager sellers. This opportunity is TRKA stock, which Young and Brent Kenwell determined to have short interest over 43%. Now, we had talked about even in previous videos that the short interest for TRKA stock was very significant. I just wanted to share this tweet with you guys. Again, if we go ahead and follow, I guess, these people on Twitter. Here we go. I think it's Vertical Call Algo on Twitter. Yeah, Vertical Algo on Twitter. But you can see here, TRKA could be squeezing due to high volume compared to its shares float. Float rotation count 1, float 31.9 million, and the short float 11.9. I guess the squeeze potential on this would essentially be higher than usual now because of this, right? With the short interest creating an opportunity for the short sellers. Now the term opportunity is in the eye of the beholder. Sure, you might get lucky and end up on the right side of the trade if you bet on a massive short squeeze, and short interest exceeding 43% is notable, obviously. We talked about how Young explained that SSC placed TRKA on a short sale restriction list, otherwise known as SSR. In other words, the stock is on the bulls and bears radar, so be prepared for rapid share price moves or just stay out the way. Obviously, if you get put on the SSR list, I think it was put on the SSR list 10 times over the last 15 days or to 30 days. You're on a ton of people that are bullish and a ton of people that are bearish. You're on a ton of those watch lists. So at that point, price action on these stocks can remain extremely volatile, and they will be volatile moving forward. But TRKA stock company's growth is undeniable. Year over year, they increased revenue by a whopping 1,125% to 187.91 million that we talked about. They adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and EBITDA improved dramatically over 4.5 million in the year period to 4.95 million during the 6 months ending December 31st, 2022. So again, where we are currently, I mean, obviously there is a heavy trading volume on this stock, and there really has been. Again, for the last 10 to 15 trading days overall. We are on Thursday now, heading into the weekend. I think we could see some significant price action as well tomorrow with this stock, just based on kind of what's shaping up today. But again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about TRKA stock. I'm still not as bullish as I was on this stock, and I do believe that if there is momentum in this stock, it will It will probably come in the next year. I don't think this is a stock that, if there is going to be, some sort of squeeze or some sort of significant price, very, very significant price action, it will come sooner rather than later, in my opinion. But again, let me know in the comments below. I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.